So, in the process of setting up my Altmill, haven't tested the spindle yet. Just got the water lines running. This is not the CNC Lab spindle. This is a one from G Penny. This is actually their one that they sell for metal milling. It looked better, so I bought it. It wasn't that much of a difference, more money than the regular one. I got the water lines hooked up temporarily with some twist ties just along the side of the drag chain. I'm planning on 3D printing some brackets to hold them in place properly later. They were too tight to stuff in the drag chains. I think my VFD cable is just too thick, or I'm not sure if that's normal. But I have a chiller for the water pump. Found that on Marketplace for a good deal. And I'm about to test to see if my spindle's gonna spin. And yeah, that's it. Good times.